Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna this comparison between this Realme and Motorola. So friends, here I have this Realme P4x 5G model and another is Motorola G57 Power. So let's do a quick comparison between these two mid-range smartphones. So let's start the video friends. So firstly, let's talk about its design friends. Both have unique designs. You can see this is a matte finish and it is a aluminium design. You can see the blue color, and this is a not matte finish. It is a cloth type material that is used. When you just rub it, you will feel like this. So first let's talk about the display friends. Both the display comes with 6.72 uh, FHD display plus LCD, but this smartphone, the G57, comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate, and the Realme one comes with 144 Hz of the refresh rate. So here comes with the great point. So let's talk about its processor, and you can see when you just move your fingers in the screen, you will see a slight difference when you use 144 hertz and when you choose 120 hertz. There is a mild difference if you are a gamer, and if you do nothing about heavy task in the this smartphone, so you can buy any one of them. Both are good for you. So let's talk about the processor of these two. So friends, this Motorola comes with Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 4nm, and this MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra 4nm. So here also comes with the difference in the processor also. The winning thing is about the Realme one. At this price range, both smartphones are competing each other, but the Realme one is winning the game. So let's talk about the RAM friends. So both have virtual RAM, and you can do a RAM boost like thing. It has 8 GB, both have 8 GB of storage, and you can extend also in your both the smartphones. And this comes with 128 GB, and it also has 256 GB also variant. And you can see the camera design. Both have their unique concept of the camera. So this one have three cameras and this one have two cameras. So let's talk about the camera also. So you will get in the Motorola, in this 50 megapixel of the main camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and another you can see this, there is another also. And in this Realme smartphone, you will get a 50 megapixel of main camera and 2 megapixel of this secondary camera. So you can see the difference. Both have 8 megapixel of the front camera. You can see it look like same when you just put it here. You can see there is no difference in the screen. So friends, let's come to the main point about the lightweightness and the battery of these two. So friends, the two smartphones comes with 7000 mAh, with both of them comes with fast charging. You can see in this Motorola you will get a 33 volt of charging, and in this the Realme one comes with 45 volt of fast charging. So that will make one point of this also. So both have 7000 mAh, but the Realme one comes with 45 volt of charging. So you will get a boom in the charge, and you will also charge at least, it will last long up to 2 days if you just do a heavy task like gameplay or anything. If you are a content creator, YouTuber or anything, this suits you if you just choose this. So it has a battery pack also. So in this you will get both of them. This one, the Motorola one, is Android 16 and has a OS update promise, and this, the Realme one, is Android 15. So that is 2 OS update promised. So you will get a 2-year update in this. And the Motorola one comes with only 1 year OS promise update. So here it also a thing, some of the Android 16 features don't come in this Realme model, but some of there in this Motorola smartphone. So there may be a not for a choice if you choose both of them. Somebody is like same. So let's talk about the water resistant test. So this one is Motorola one is IP64 water resistant, friends. Gorilla Glass 7i, Dolby Atmos durability, everything is good about the screen. You can see it is resistance also, and you get a Gorilla Glass protection in that. So if you just drop it, it will might be get some scratches or something at the if you just drop multiple times. If you just drop it for a first time, it will not break your glass easily. So let's talk about the Realme one. So friends, you will there will be a not a proper information about the Realme one glass. So it is a resistance also. It not harmed by the some minor scratches, or if you just drop it hardly, or if it is dropped too much, so it might get broken. So there is a not specific information about the glass here, so you have to keep in mind also. So friends, let's come to the main point, that is the price range. So which you have to buy the best one, and what's the great choice. So let's talk about the Motorola one. It's come with the something around 13,000 to 15,500 something, and this one, the Realme one, comes with about 1500 to 19,000 range. So you can choose wisely what is better for you. If you want to get up if you want a peak performance, if you are a gamer, and if you want to do a heavy task, then you can choose the Realme one. Or you can just give a point to me in the comment section if you what your choice of yours. And you can see the things I told you about that. So this is the main points carries with the Realme one and the Motorola one. So friends, let's come to the verdict now, and let's talk about the main points. So the display and design, both of you can see that the display and design. So the Realme is smoother display. You can see it has 144 hertz, so it comes with very smooth display. If you play games, it will smoothly run. If you it will not any there will be no lag or something like that. And in the Motorola case, you will get a stronger durability. So you can see, and it both have very unique concept of the cameras and design. Both of are good, and both of are, you can see, lightweight also. So it is the Motorola comes with a stronger durability. So let's talk about the performance of these two, friends. So you will see here it has the Realme comes with 7400 this performance. You can see here I have to just open the about phone. You can see that in this also performance booster is there. So and the Motorola comes with Snapdragon 6s. So my verdict is Realme has the edge for heavy multitasking and game. So if you just choose this Realme one, you can play more if it suits you and your budget also. You can choose this one. And let's talk about the cameras. So friends, Motorola offers slightly more versatile optics. So friends, you can choose this one if you want to want a good camera. Both of are good in about cameras, but slightly more features or something optics in this Motorola one. So there at a twist. And let's talk about the battery and charging. Both of are huge pack of 7000 mAh battery, excellent in endurance. And but the main point is the Realme one wins in this case because of the 45 volt of fast charging it gives. And the software and supports, Realme is better for future proof software because it has Android 15 but promises 2 years of OS upgrades. And let's talk about the price and this thing. Let's open the settings first. Here to just open this one. So friends, you can see that in this case Motorola is generally cheaper, making it great value phone overall, but the Realme has a higher starting price but offers better specs for the money. So if the budget is the priority, then you can choose the Motorola one, and if your budget is not the priority, in performance matter, you want a performance in mid-range smartphone, you can choose the Realme one. So friends, the final recommendation is, if you choose the Realme smartphone, you will get the smoother 144 Hz display, better performance, better gaming, faster charging, more storage options, and longer software support. And in this Motorola, you will get a more versatile camera setup, ultra wide angle, and better durability, Gorilla Glass. And keep in mind, the Gorilla Glass comes with only Motorola smartphone, and slightly lower price, classic Motorola software experience. So if you are a Realme person, you can choose this one. If you want to, if you are a Motorola person, Motorola user person, then you can choose this one. So, and just comment down me and give me about your opinion, what you like about that and what you are taking it. I hope you like this video. If you want more video, you can just comment me down and I will make just like this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.